Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you an easy way to teach polysemy to young learners. Before we get started, let's review what is polysemy. It is defined as coexistence of many possible meanings for a word or phrase. Actually, it's a nature of a word to have more than one related meaning. In this set of videos, we're going to discuss polysemous meanings derived from human body parts. Human body is often used to describe non-human world. As a result, the nouns denoting human body parts generate a wide range of meanings. Today, we're going to discuss the use of the word head. Let's take a look how the English Language Dictionary defines the word head. It is the upper part of a human body, or the front or upper part of a body of an animal, typically separated from the rest of the body by a neck and containing the brain, mouth, and sense organs. If you check the word head in an English language dictionary, you will see that it has more than 15 meanings. Just 15 meanings for one single word. So, how do we teach this to our students? Do we tell them to memorize all these meanings of one single word? Can those meanings be classified? Are there any similarities among the meanings? Are they related to the core meaning or to one another? We need to consider these questions when teaching polysemy. Let's take a look. The head of beer, the head of a lettuce, the head of the bed, the head of a hammer, the head of a train, the head of garlic, the head of a school, the head of pin, the head of a family, the head of the company, the head of a table, or supra if you wish. What is the link between all these meanings? Are they related somehow, or are they scattered all around? Let's observe carefully. Do you think the head of lettuce has some kind of similarity to the head of the human? Do you think there is something in common between these two? What about the head of pin? Do you think it's kind of similar? What about the head of garlic? Does it have to do something with the shape of a head? If you think that all these three have something to do with the head of human, then you are right. They are all similar in shape, right? They share the similarity in shape. What about this one? The head of beer. Now you'll see that it really does not have anything to do with the head of a human, right? Let's think for a minute. What about the location? Where is the head of a human located? It's on top of a body, right? What about the head of the beer? Is not it on top of the beer? The same for the head of the bed. And the same for the head of the train. So if you agree that all these three are similar in location, then you are right. They all share the similarity in location. What about this one? The head of the family. Let's think for a minute. What is the function of the human head? Does not it have to manage the body? What about the head of the family? Does not he have to manage the family? The same for the school principal, right? The head of a school and the head of the company. Also, similar to the head of the table, right? He has to manage the table, the supra. So if we agree that these all share the similarity in function, we are absolutely right. Let's take a quick quiz to make sure we understand the idea of the lesson. How is the head of a cabbage related to the head of a human? It is similar in location. It is similar in function. It is similar in shape. If you think that it is similar in shape, then you got it right. What about this? How is the head of a household related to the head of a human? It is similar in location. It is similar in function. It is similar in shape. If you think that the head of a household is similar to the human head in function, then you are right. What about this one? How is the head of a racket related to the head of human? It is similar in location. It is similar in function. It is similar in shape. If you think that it is similar in shape, you are right. But if you think that it is also similar in location, you are also right. In some cases, some of the words share two types of similarities. What about this one? How is the head of a state related to the head of human? It is similar in location. It is similar in function. It is similar in shape. If you think that it is similar in function, then you are absolutely right. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and you got some ideas for teaching polysemy to young learners. Don't forget to head to part 2.